So now let's look at the business unit and how we can get started there with a digital experience. So the interesting thing about a business unit is it's a smaller component of the organization. It's a big piece of the puzzle that connects with other pieces in order to move things forward and help the company accomplish its goals. So we want to understand is, what does the business unit want to accomplish? Are there things that the business unit is trying to do? We want to make sure that we understand these things so that way we can actually build out processes in the digital space that meet these needs. Again, similar to what we talked about with the company, it'll help us keep things in scope. It'll allow us to make sure that we're getting software that meets the needs of the organization. So knowing what it needs to be successful. So what is it that the business unit is kind of struggling with? What are some things that the business unit would like to have that it sees to be successful? Because again, knowing these things would be a great place to start in being able to target those aspects of the business unit and then being able to modify them to build the best experience possible. And so with that, we want to know what the overall goal is of the business unit. For example, if you're in a sales business unit, which likely has a goal of increasing revenue or maybe amount of dollar per sales rep, then we wouldn't necessarily want to go in and set up some sort of support system and a ticketing system for those users. Sure, that might provide a better experience of the sales users being able to see what's going on with their accounts, but is it something that they actually need to reach their goals? Is that going to help them be successful? By knowing these things, we can scope down what it is that we need to do and what aspects of a digital experience we need to bring in. Help us understand where to start, which things need to be targeted, and then from there we can start to take a little bit more steps in breaking down those scenarios and those situations and moving the business unit towards success and where it wants to go and building out that amazing world-class digital experience. So next, we will talk about resources and what that means for getting started with a digital experience.